A lot of people tend to overcomplicate meditation, but it's not about using fancy techniques. It's really about keeping things simple. You don't need to worry about finding the perfect way to meditate. Just start with the basic principles I'll be explaining here. Before you meditate, it's important to understand the core principle. Why do you want to meditate? What is your motivation? Often, people forget what's really important in life, and meditation can help remind you of your true purpose. Simply sitting down to meditate isn't always enough to keep you motivated. You need to remind yourself of why you're doing it each time you sit down to meditate. Ask yourself, why did I choose this over other things I could be doing, like watching TV or sleeping? By asking these questions, you'll reconnect with your original reasons for starting. Maybe you want to feel calmer, be more focused, experience spiritual growth, achieve emotional balance, or simply understand yourself better. Whatever the reason, keeping it in mind can help you stay committed to your practice. Your reason for meditating can be big or small, deep or simple. What matters is that it keeps you going. Having a reason helps you push through challenges, like restlessness or the urge to quit. There's no right or wrong reason to meditate, as long as it gets you to do it. Your reason brought you to the mat today, and that's something to be proud of. As you continue, your reasons might change, and that's okay too. What matters is that you're taking steps to make positive changes in your life. Meditation is more than just taking a break. It's a journey towards something bigger, something that can transform how you live. Having clear goals for that journey acts like a map, guiding you and making each moment of meditation more meaningful. As you meditate, it's also important to manage your expectations. Many people believe meditation will deliver instant, life-changing results. Some expect to achieve a Zen-like state overnight or unlock deep secrets of the universe within a week. But the truth is more nuanced. As Lao Tzu once said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Meditation is a lifelong practice that brings gradual benefits over time. If your goals are too big, you might get caught up in thoughts about what you should be doing or where you think you should be. This can lead to comparisons with others or your past self, leaving you feeling discouraged. Instead, set a goal, but don't get too hung up on it. Keeping a balanced view is crucial for sticking with meditation. Some days will be easier, while others will be harder, and that's okay. Ups and downs are part of the process. Just be aware of how you're feeling, let yourself feel it, and know that it will pass. When you approach it this way, there's no such thing as a bad meditation session. You can adjust your practice based on how you feel and still find peace, even when things aren't going smoothly. Meditation teaches you to let go of the human craving for instant gratification and embrace the process. When you let go of expecting a certain result, you'll start to appreciate the subtle transformations like greater focus, inner peace, emotional control, and heightened awareness that come with time. Practice diligence. It's easy to get lost in your thoughts during meditation. Your mind may wander to problems, future plans, or even daydreams. Diligence means staying aware that your mind will wander, but not letting yourself get carried away by those thoughts. Don't be hard on yourself if you find your mind has drifted. Judging yourself only makes you feel worse and could lead to quitting. Instead, see these moments as opportunities to practice refocusing. As John Yates put it, let thoughts come, let them be, and let them go. When you follow this approach, you're meditating correctly, no matter how many times your mind wanders. It's easy to get excited when you're new to meditation and think long sessions are the key, but it's actually the regular practice that matters, even if it's just for a short time each day. Diligence isn't just about regularity. It's also about the quality of your practice. Being mindfully present means you're not just physically sitting there, you're mentally and emotionally engaged in the experience. The quality of your attention is just as important as the time you spend. When you approach meditation with diligence, you're sowing seeds. At first, it might seem like nothing is happening, but over time, these seeds grow into plants of peace, trees of wisdom, and flowers of happiness. The goal isn't to be better than others, but to be better than you were yesterday. Everyone struggles with distractions when starting meditation, especially in today's world, where distractions are everywhere, from phone notifications to mental chatter. The key is to do a quick mental check before you meditate. Are there any immediate concerns, like whether someone will interrupt you or if you're hungry? Think about any major issues on your mind: work, relationships, finances, or even doubts about whether you're meditating correctly. Sometimes it's hard to pinpoint exactly what's distracting you. You might feel anxious without knowing why. A good way to clear your mind is to reflect on upcoming events or recent experiences. This helps you identify what's bothering you. Maybe you're worried about something small, like what to eat for breakfast, or something big, like a major life decision. The goal isn't to solve all your problems during meditation, but to acknowledge what's on your mind. If you think of something important, jot it down on a piece of paper to handle later. Just writing down your thoughts before meditation can help clear your mind. The idea is to notice your thoughts without trying to push them away or change them. When you meditate, choose a place where you won't be disturbed. Make it your regular meditation spot. Before you begin, turn off or mute any electronic devices that could interrupt your session. If you live with others, let them know you need uninterrupted time. Setting boundaries is a form of self-care, not selfishness. Choose a time of day when distractions are least likely. Early morning or late evening works best for many. Before you start, set an intention to stay committed to your practice, no matter what distractions arise. I hope this gives you a solid starting point. In future videos, we'll explore more about finding the right posture for meditation, so stay tuned. If you found this video valuable, please share it with your friends and loved ones. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. I hope you have a wonderful day.